Welcome to Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast. Each podcast episode is dedicated to sharing lessons and insights into learning American English, understanding American culture, values, and norms, as well as virtually traveling to key destinations throughout the United States of America as a whole. In today's episode, we will cover the following two parts. 1. Speak America, American slang and idioms. 2. Discover America, the complete road trip and travel guide, Idaho. Lesson 12. American slang and idioms. Understanding everyday and formal English. Part 1. Dialogue. Dialogue. Friend 1. Dude, I totally bombed my presentation today. I was so nervous. Friend 2. Oh no, but hey, you've been under the weather lately. Cut yourself some slack. Friend 1. I guess. I just feel like I dropped the ball, you know? Friend 2. Don't sweat it. Everyone has off days. You'll knock it out of the park next time. Friend 1. Thanks. I just need to get my act together before the next meeting. Friend 2. For sure. Hey, want to grab a bite and talk about it? Friend 1. Yeah, that sounds awesome. I could really use that right now. Part 2. Mini guidance article. Mini guidance article. Cracking the code of American slang. American English is full of colorful slang and idioms that can leave even advanced English learners puzzled. Understanding these expressions is crucial to following casual conversations, watching TV shows and movies, and feeling truly comfortable in American social settings. Here are some of the most common idioms. Hit the nail on the head, to be exactly right. Bite the bullet, to endure a painful situation. Spill the beans, to reveal a secret. Under the weather, feeling sick. Beat around the bush, avoiding the main point. Pull someone's leg, to joke or tease someone. And on the fence, undecided. Slang changes frequently and varies by region, age group, and culture. Common contemporary slang includes lit, exciting, or excellent. No cap, truthfully, honestly. GOAT, greatest of all time. Low key, somewhat, or kept quiet. Vibe, atmosphere, or feeling. And bet, yes, agreed, or sounds good. The best way to learn slang is through immersion. Watch American TV shows and movies, listen to podcasts, follow social media trends, and most importantly, talk to people. When you hear an expression you don't understand, it's always appropriate to smile and ask, "What does that mean?" I'm still learning American expressions. Part 3. Examples and tips. 5 useful examples with tips. Example 1. Don't sweat it, meaning don't worry about it. Tip. This phrase is used constantly in casual conversation. It shows empathy and is always warmly received. Example 2. We're swamped right now, meaning very busy. Tip: swamped is widely used in American workplaces. Recognizing it helps you understand when to ask for help or back off. Example 3. That's a ballpark figure, an approximate number. Tip: in business contexts, ballpark means rough estimate. Watch for it in meetings and negotiations. Example 4. She's a real go-getter, meaning she is ambitious and proactive. Tip: describing someone as a go-getter is a high compliment in American professional culture. Example 5. Let's grab a bite, meaning let's go eat. Tip: this casual phrase is used frequently to propose an informal meal. Accept confidently. It's a social bonding opportunity. Chapter 12. Idaho. The Gem State, capital, Boise. Scenic Highway Highlight. Sawtooth Scenic Byway, ID 75, travels through the spectacular Sawtooth National Recreation Area past jagged mountain peaks, alpine lakes, hot springs, and historic mining towns. 1. Sun Valley in Ketchum. About this destination. America's first destination ski resort remains one of its greatest. Sun Valley's pristine powder skiing, charming Ketchum Village, and summer outdoor recreation make it Idaho's most glamorous destination. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Visit the Hemingway Memorial. Ernest Hemingway lived his final years in Ketchum and is buried in the local cemetery. His memorial by Trail Creek is a peaceful, beautiful spot for literary pilgrims, free to visit any time of year. Tip 2. Hike to Galena Summit Overlook in summer. The drive to Galena Summit on Highway 75 offers one of Idaho's greatest panoramas of the Sawtooth Mountains. Hike the short trail to the summit viewpoint for a 360-degree mountain landscape that will leave you speechless. Tip 3. Book ski lessons at Sun Valley's Dollar Mountain. For beginner skiers, Sun Valley's smaller Dollar Mountain is gentler and less crowded than Bald Mountain. Instructors here specialize in first-timers, making it a wonderful introduction to Idaho's legendary powder conditions. 2. Boise. About this destination. Idaho's surprisingly sophisticated capital has earned a reputation as one of America's most livable cities with its vibrant downtown, outstanding craft beer scene, impressive art museum, and easy access to the outdoors. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Explore the Bass Block. Boise has one of the largest Basque communities outside of Spain. The Basque Block downtown has a museum, cultural center, cider bar, and the excellent bar Jernica serving pink sauce. It's a unique cultural experience found nowhere else in the American West. Tip 2. Bike the Boise River Greenbelt. This 25-mile paved path follows the Boise River from Lucky Peak Reservoir to Veterans Memorial Park. Bike rentals are available downtown, and the Greenbelt is flat, beautiful, and accessible from most hotels. Tip 3. Visit the Boise Saturday Market. Running from May through October, the Saturday Market fills a large space downtown with local produce, artisan crafts, food vendors, and live music. It reflects the warm, community-oriented spirit of modern Boise perfectly. 3. Craters of the Moon National Monument. About this destination. This eerily beautiful landscape of ancient lava flows, cinder cones, and lava tube caves covers 750,000 acres of volcanic terrain unlike anything else in the continental United States. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Explore the lava tube caves with a flashlight. Several developed lava tube caves are accessible to visitors with a free permit. The Indian Tunnel Cave is huge enough to walk through without stooping. Bring 2 flashlights per person. Darkness inside is absolute. Tip 2. Drive the 7-mile loop road slowly. The scenic loop road accesses all of the monument's major features. Stop at every pullout. Cinder cone climbs reward with lunar-like panoramas, and the spatter cones along the trail are alien and fascinating. Tip 3. Stargaze from the monument campground. The remote high desert location with minimal light pollution makes Craters of the Moon an outstanding dark sky sight. The campground is uncrowded outside summer weekends. Bring a star chart and let the Milky Way overwhelm you. Thank you for listening to this episode of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcast episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast will educate, enlighten, and entertain you. Thank you, and have a wonderful week ahead.